Hello students, welcome back to chemistry class. Today we will discuss preparation of amines. What is preparation of amines? Preparation of amines. There are a number of methods by that we can prepare amines. So what is in your syllabus? That we will discuss here. So let us see what is the first method. First method is what is a reduction of a nitro compound. What is a reduction of nitro compound. Reduction of nitro compound. Okay. So what are nitro compounds? Like that, NO2 group is present in that. Or we can say from nitroalkane or arenes. We can say from nitroalkanes or from nitroalkanes or arenes. From nitroalkanes or arenes. So a reduction means a reduction of nitro compound, in presence of lithium aluminum hydride or lithium aluminum hydride, PT, PD, PT or PD, Ni, Ni, etc. Reduction of nitro compound in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, platinum, palladium, nickel, etc. produces amines. So what? Let us see. Reduction here, nitro compound, reduction in presence of nickel, we can take nickel, PT, palladium, platinum, PD, PT, lithium aluminum hydride, and finally divide nickel, etc. gives amine and NH2 plus 2H2. So like this. This method can be used for preparation of aliphatic as well as for aromatic compounds also. So let us see here. We can take nitrobenzene, react with reduction by the Fe plus HCl, Fe plus HCl, Sn plus HCl, etc. Okay, gives amine, gives aromatic amine and 2H2O. So what we have seen here, and this method is preferred because after the formation of FeCl2 it hydrolyzed and it gives HCl. FeCl2 means after the reaction it forms FeCl2 which is hydrolyzed and give HCl. This one hydrolyzed and give HCl. So in this reaction a small amount of HCl is needed. So this method is preferred. So let us see what reduction of nitro compounds by different reducing agent gives amines. And in amines means by this method we can prepare both aliphatic and aromatic amines. And this method is preferred because when reaction takes place, it forms FeCl2 and that hydrolyzes and give HCl. So in this reaction we need a small amount of HCl. So this is the first method by which we can prepare the amines. The second method is ammonolysis of aryl or alkyl halide. So aryl or alkyl halide react with ammonia and form salt. Forms salt, which on reaction with NaOH gives primary amine plus H2O plus NaX. What is this? This is the reaction ammonolysis of alkyl or aryl halide. So here, if alkyl halide is taken, it further react with primary amine, further react with alkyl halide and gives the different salt. What is that? So we can write here we can write. What can we write? Alkyl halide on reaction with NH3 with ammonia undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction in which X is replaced by NH2 group. X is replaced by NH2 group. The cleavage of CX bond by ammonia is known as ammonolysis. So we can write like this: alkyl halide on reaction with ammonia undergoes nucleophilic substitution in which X is replaced by NH2 group. Cleavage of CX bond, cleavage of CX bond by ammonia is called ammonolysis. Here, if this ammonia we got is primary amine, what we got, like this is primary amine, what we got, it acts as nucleophile and it reacts with alkyl halide and form like this also product. So like this we can show, 2N HX2 plus, like this. Further it react, means it further react and form different product. So what happened here? In this reaction it will release and it will form like this. This will form here R2NH here, and HX will be released. Further it react with another molecules, so it will form 3, and further it reacts with another molecule and it forms quaternary. Okay, so like this reaction we can see. Like this reaction we can see. Okay, students. So for getting the pure primary amine, this one is treated with, that one is treated with alkali NaOH, and that give us the product. So what we have seen here, we can say like this: alkyl halide or aryl halide on reaction with ammonia undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction, in which NH2 group replaces X. NH2 group replaces X. In which NH2 group replaces, substitution in which NH2 group replaces X. Cleavage of CX bond means here there is bond. Cleavage of CX bond by ammonia is called ammonolysis. To get free ammonia means primary amine, this is made to react with NaOH, means alkali or base we can say, and that give us primary amine. If we are following this reaction, whole reaction, so what happened? In this process we get mixture of amines, primary, secondary and tertiary and quaternary amines we get. So you remember this reaction can be used for primary, secondary and tertiary, but we get the mixture, so this method is not appropriate for preparation of amines. Okay, even by this method we get the amines, but that is not in pure form, because when more alkyl groups are there, so that forms secondary, tertiary and quaternary quaternary amine. So we don't get the pure form of the amines. So what we have seen here, we got the mixture of amines. To get the pure or primary amine, we should take the excess of ammonia. What is? To get primary amine, we should take excess of ammonia. Means if we are taking excess of ammonia, so that time we will get primary amine. Second point, what is second point? Second point, the order of reactivity of alkyl halide is, the order of reactivity of alkyl halide with amines is what is? Ri, RBr, RCl, and this is the order. So what we have seen here, by this method we can prepare the amines. And for preparation of primary amines, what we should take? We should take the excess of ammonia. If we are taking excess of ammonia, so we will get primary amines. If we are taking excess of alkyl halide, so we will get mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary and quaternary amine. And what is the process? How we can define is the ammonolysis. Alkyl or aryl halide react with ammonia. Alkyl halide or aryl halide on reaction with ammonia undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction, in which NH2 is replaced by halocene is replaced by NH2. The cleavage of CH bond by ammonia is known as ammonolysis. And to get amine, primary amine, the compound what we get, the salt what we get, it is made to react with NaOH. It is made to react with NaOH and we get primary amines. And what primary amines we got, that again act as nucleophile and that react with a number of alkyl halides and form the secondary, tertiary and quaternary salt. So like this we get, and to get the amines, primary amines, we should take ammonia in excess quantity. We should take ammonia in excess quantity. The order of reactivity of alkyl halide is this. So to get this, we should be very careful for preparation of primary amines. We should take the excess of ammonia. So other method for preparation of amines is what is reduction of nitrile. Reduction of what is reduction of nitrile. Reduction of nitriles. So nitriles on reduction produce nitriles on reduction by lithium aluminum hydride produce amines. Nitriles RCN triple bond reduction with this H2 will be added, reduction with lithium aluminum hydride produce amines. Okay, so this we can write like this: CH3 triple bond N plus H2, it gives LiAlH for lithium aluminum hydride, or we can say catalytic hydrogenation. Okay, produce CH3 CH2 NH2 like this. So how we can write? Nitrile on reduction, nitrile on reduction, nitriles on reduction by lithium, we can write start here, lithium aluminum hydride or catalytic hydrogenation, produce amines. So here we are mostly using lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent. So this language can be written as nitriles on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride produce amines. So which amines we got here? We got what we have taken? Methyl nitrile we have taken, and we got what? Ethyl amine. Okay, or ethanamine, we can say ethanamine also. Next is a reduction of, next method is reduction of amides. Next, a reduction of amides. A reduction of amide, by lithium aluminum hydride, aids amine. Okay, so what we can write about this? The amides on reduction, what we can write? Amides on reduction reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, amides on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride yields amines. So this is the reaction, and what we are using here, reducing lithium aluminum hydride we are using. Next method can be used for preparation, and by this method you don't think that only aliphatic amines can be prepared, aromatic amines can be also prepared. So here benzamide we are taking, benzamide and reduction with lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4 gives amine here. This method can be also used by this, and in that also reduction of nitriles. So in reduction of nitriles we can use to what? We can use also like this benzene nitrile we are taking, What is benzene nitrile? We are taking, and it is reduced in presence of lithium aluminum hydride gives amines. So like this we can write nitriles on reduction with nitriles on reduction by lithium aluminum hydride or catalytic hydrogenation produce amines. So these are the methods for preparation of amines. Some more methods are there, we will discuss. Let us see next method is. So let us see what is Gabriel thalamide synthesis. So first we will take what? Thalamide. What is this is? Thalamide. Okay. So this is thalamide. Here. Thalamide. Okay. This thalamide. It reacts with ethanolic KOH. It reacts with ethanolic KOH and it forms salt. It forms salt. So it forms salt like this. Sodium salt of thalamide, which are heating with alkyl halide followed by hydrolysis. Alkyl halide followed by hydrolysis. So alkyl halide, when it is being mated, alkyl halide. So what we have written here? Thalamide react with ethanolic KOH, forms sodium salt of thalamide, which are reacting with alkyl halide. So that will be heated with alkyl halide. So that will give this product, and followed by hydrolysis. That will give this product. Okay, and it will form N and R. It will form N and R, and followed by alkaline hydrolysis. Alkaline hydrolysis. It gives amine. Followed by alkaline hydrolysis, it gives amine. So it will form like this product. Like this product. Like this product, and amines are NH2. So what we have seen that phthalimide on reaction with ethanolic KOH forms sodium salt of phthalimide, which further on heating with alkyl halide followed by alkyl hydrolysis. Gives primary amine. So this method can be used for preparation of aromatic amine. So in note you can write this method can't be used in preparation of aromatic amines. So what we have done, that we can write phthalimide on reaction with ethanolic or alcoholic ethanolic potassium hydroxide forms potassium salt of phthalimide. Potassium salt of phthalimide, which on further heating with alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis produces primary amine. So this is a Gabriel-phthalimide synthesis. What? Phthalimide react with ethanolic KOH, it forms what? Potassium salt of phthalimide, which on reaction with alkyl halide and followed by hydrolysis gives primary amine. And I have already written that this method can't be used for the preparation of aromatic amines. Last method is Huffman bromide degradation reaction. Huffman bromide degradation. So what is this here? Amide react with bromine in ethanolic or alkali solution. Ethanolic or aqueous solution, we can aqueous solution means aqueous solution of sodium peroxide, aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide means what is that? Amide react with bromide in ethanolic or aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide gives amines. Gives amines. This will be liberated. So it will form amines. And what is Na2CO3 plus 2NaBr plus NaX 2NaX. So what we got here? Amine. So this method can be used for preparation of aliphatic as well as for aromatic amines also. So if we are taking here like this, O and H2 and react with ethanolic Br2 solution and sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide solutions, and gives amine and Na2CO3 plus 2NaBr plus 2NaX. So what we have got here, we got that which primary amines can be prepared by the reaction of amide with Br2 in ethanolic solution or aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide we can prepare amines. So we can write like this. How we can write? So we can write like this. Primary amines are prepared by the reaction of amide with bromine, with aqueous solution of bromine, with aqueous solution. Sorry students for that interruption. So how we can prepare the amines? Primary amines are prepared by the reaction of amide with bromine in aqueous solution or by the reaction of amide with bromine in aqueous solution or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide. Okay students, so today we have discussed this. Let us see one more time. Half-man reaction, half-man bromide reaction. So in this half-man bromide reaction, this bromine, aqueous bromine is made to react with amide and that gives primary amine and ethanolic solution of NaOH. Okay students, so we have completed the preparation of amines. In next video we will see the properties of amines. Okay, thank you students.